In order to promote national values, traditional of the noble people, and to present Tajik folk culture and craftsmanship, the regional round of the Republican Festival competition, 100 Colors of Chakan, was held in Danghara district. Designers, young women and girls from urban and rural communities and educational institutions of the district enthusiastically exhibited their handmade products and presented the craftsmanship of Tajik women. On this day, young and old women, designers and craftswomen participated in the festival program, which was held in 6 sections and demonstrated their skills by showing the art of design, embroidery, and goods in which embroidery was used. At the exhibition, several examples of the ancient art of Tajik, such as clothes, household items, shirts, embroidery, pillows, and pets, decorated with various partners, were presented to the jury. During the speech, the officials noted that the holding of this festival is one of the measures to honor the original cultural values, and it is aimed at promoting and encouraging national clothing, raising the status and dignity of embroidery, needlework, and of national fabrics, and demonstrating the skills of national designers. On this day, young and old women, designers, and craftsmen participated in the festival program, which was held in 6 sections, and demonstrated their skills by showing the art of design, embroidery, and goods in which embroidery was used. At the event, children's ceremonial, ancient, modern, and official costumes were presented to the audience and jury members. It is worth noting that the 100 Colors of Chakan is one of the original measures to promote cultural values, and its goal are to raise the sense of patriotism, also respect for history and civilization, culture and literature, national and folk customs, and thereby introduce Tajik folk arts and crafts. Also on this day, the regional round of the Republican competition, the best crafts woman was held with the joint preparation and participation of the best craftswomen and cooks of ancient dishes, in which all communities of cities and districts, organizations and institutions participated and demonstrated their skills. This competition, which was organized with the aim of attracting talented women and girls, ladies with taste for the revival and development of national traditions, raising the level of household education, preparing girls for independent life, reviving, preserving the best national traditions of our people in the direction of preparing national dishes, local cuisine, and improving the taste of ladies and tableware, was judged by the jury. At the end of the event, the best were determined by the jury, recognized with certificates of honor and gifts from the Ministry of Culture of Tourism, and received a ticket to the subsequent stage of the 100 Colors of Chakan Festival and the Republican competition for the best ladies.